We have big breaking news. Statistics Canada releasing new jobs numbers for December. Scott Peterson, let's get talking about this. Last hour, we were talking about how unpredictable this kind of a thing is. And today, way bigger than those we're expecting.
Way bigger indeed. We were only expecting a gain of 5,000 positions for the month of December, and instead we got 104,000. So once again, economists having a very tough time predicting this number and the strength, the resilient strength of the Canadian economy going forward month to month. Let's take a look at some of these numbers just out from Statistics Canada this morning, because as a result of this strong jobs gain and really unexpected, the unemployment rate as well ticking down to just 5%. So that's flirting with all-time record lows of 4.9% that we saw just a few months ago. Full-time work as well, another barometer of a healthy economy when an employer feels confident enough to offer full-time employment. That was up by 85,000 positions in a month. The private sector as well, this is where jobs have to come from. They can't be created by the government. That's up 112,000 positions, again, just for the month of December, and that is the largest monthly increase for private sector jobs since February. Also, we saw gains in construction, 35,000 positions there, transportation, warehousing, tourism, culture, science jobs. We saw losses again despite big shortages in the healthcare and social assistance industries, and also wages up 5.1%. It's down a little bit month over month, but it shows you that's how much more we're making over this time last year, and that's not keeping up with inflation at 6.8%. Also, we're looking at some interesting numbers that Stats Canada keeps track of. There was an 8% absenteeism rate for the month of December as more people calling in sick. And also there's 1/10 of people out there working from some kind of hybrid model, that whether it's going into work, working from home, or a combination of the two. And in addition to this, there's nearly 1 million job vacancies. So again, it shows you the resilience of the economy. Despite these high interest rates and rising rates from the Bank of Canada as well, the economy still continues to chug out these jobs at a surprising rate.
I hope you didn't have money on the numbers today, Scott.
I never bet on Stats Canada.
Okay.
Never.
We also will watch for numbers on the U.S. economy as well. What's the expectation there?
Yeah, we were expecting about 200,000. We got 223,000, beating expectations, and that's not necessarily good for the markets. The markets like it when they're low, but that is the lowest monthly increase in 2 years, and the markets like that, say if the jobs are slowing in the U.S., that means that interest rates maybe won't be going up. So let's take a quick look at the markets. We're seeing the price of oil up 50 cents, the Canadian dollar jumping a half a cent right after this announcement from Stats Canada. And with the rest of the markets, like I said, they like this report from the U.S., not as strong as expected. So the S&P, the Dow, and NASDAQ firmly in positive territory.
Thank you, Scott.
Thanks, Jennifer.